Okay, guys, we have next equation now. We are solve this equation by completing square method. We are to solve this equation. We are to solve this equation again by completing square method. Completing square method. Now, in this case, you can see that the leading coefficient is not 1. This is called as leading coefficient. So, leading coefficient is not 1. So, what should we do now? We should divide by 2. We should divide the whole equation, or we should divide each term by 2. When you divide each term by 2 on the right side also, you will get leading coefficient as 1. After cancellation, 2 by 2, you get here x squared minus 4 here, 4x, and then this one minus 3 by 2, 0 by 2 is 0. Now here our first step will start from here. Keep it in mind, you can't apply my method, this method, which is not mentioned in the book even. You can apply my method only if the leading coefficient is 1. If it is not 1, make it 1 like we did here. Now leading coefficient is 1, we're going to put a bracket, whole square and minus sign in step number 1 like in the previous question. So variable is x, I write here. This sign was minus, I write minus here, and I will take the square of this second coefficient. Okay? This is 4, I will take here 4, I will take half of this number, sorry, I will take half of this number, right? Half of this second coefficient is 2, right? Then minus, we're going to take square of this number, 2 square. Minus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. So step number 1, I told you earlier, it is very important. You should not do any mistake. I repeat again, x is here in the square bracket, x here, then negative sign, then half of this coefficient, not square, half of this coefficient to write here. Then take the square of this number right here after minus, then minus 3 by 2. Okay, so step number 2, we're going to simplify a bit. This is x minus 2 whole square minus 2 square is 4, minus 4 minus 3 by 2 will be minus 4 minus 3 by 2 will be minus 8 minus 3, which is minus 11 by 2. Is that fine?
Yes.
Again students, minus 2 square is minus 4, minus 4 minus 3 by 2 is minus 8, minus 3 is minus 11 by 2 equal to 0. Then, what is next step? Next step is, we will simplify further, adding 11 by 2 on left and right to cancel this negative, 11 by 2 with positive. We get here x minus 2 whole squared is equal to 11 by 2 plus 0 is 11 by 2. Step number 2 is done. Third and the final step to give answer. What is that? Changing this square to square root, we get here x minus 2 is equal to square root of 11 by 2 plus and minus. You should write plus and minus. Whenever we change square to square root, we get two numbers, one positive, one negative with square root. Next step is quite easier. Just make a partition. One side you take negative sign, x minus, one side you take positive sign, x minus 2 is equal to plus square root 11 by 2. The other side you take negative x minus 2 minus root 11 by 2. Next step is plus 2 on both sides. You get here this plus 2 minus 2 cancel, you get x equal to square root 11 by 2 plus 2. On this side, again minus 2 plus 2 cancel, you get your x equal to minus 11 by 2 square root plus 2. Barry, use your calculator, give me answer to 3 significant figures. First answer 4.35 positive, right girl?
Yes.
On that side
Minus 0.35.
minus 0.35, 2 decimal places, perfect girl. So I conclude we got answer already now. X is equal to negative 0.35 and comma means and 4.35. One answer is negative, one is positive. It was quadratic equation. It was quadratic equation. We should have 2 solutions, right? And these 2 solutions are over here. Okay, fastly I repeat again. So in this case, the leading coefficient was not 1, it was 2. I divided the whole equation, each term in the equation by 2 here. I get x square minus 4x minus 3 by 2 equal to 0. The next step, number 1, I write here bracket whole square minus, and variable x would be here, this negative sign here, then half the number of this coefficient, which is 4. Half the 4 is 2, write whole square minus square of this number, which is here, then the last number minus 3 by 2. After that, calculation, we get here minus 11 by 2 equal to 0, plus 11 by 2 on this side and that side. We cancel this one, we get equation in the square form. Clear? Nano? Next step, number 3, to simplify this square equation, the rule was, I explained you, changing square into square root, changing square into square root. But keep it in mind to insert, to put 2 signs, one positive, one negative. So this side I take positive.